How to buy Redx token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Redx account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Now to be able to buy this token, click on markets here, and you will be able to find BingX. Now click on this pair next to it, and you will be able to relax to your account on BingX. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now after what you need to do, make sure to log into your account first on BingX to be able to buy this token. Now click on buy option and select the market or the limit is the same. Now if you select the limit, here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see the total that you should pay with USDT on your account. Now after that, click on buy the Redx token. So this is how to buy Redx token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.